Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do class 10 circles chapter exercise 10.2. We will do in this one 9th question. Carefully listen beta. What is the 9th question? This is the diagram. Is only given diagram. Okay, x, y, x dash, y dash. These two are parallel tangents. Okay, center O. And another tangent here, another tangent is there, that is the AB. This point of contact is the C. Okay, next this AB line intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Now we will prove AOB is the 90 degree. This is the question. Okay, now carefully listen. Here diagram is there, carefully see here. Once again I will repeat it. XY, x dash y dash, two parallel tangents. Okay, next again given AB is another tangent. This another tangent point of contact is the C. Next, what is given here? This AB line intersecting at XY line at A. Next, x dash y dash at B. Now we will prove what AOB, this angle is 90 degree, we will prove. So proving, first we will join this one. OC, you join it. See a join OC. First you do one construction. What is a join OC? OC joining after, carefully listen. First these two triangles we will compare. Which triangle? Here A is there. AOP triangle, AOC triangle. These two triangle we are comparing. AOP triangle, AOC triangle. This triangle we will compare. This triangle taking means this length equal. This triangle you are taking means this length equal. Okay, AP is equal to AC. See here in this triangle AP length equal. Next, this triangle you are taking means AC length equal. Why both are equal? Tangents from A. Okay, this is the tangent from external point to you are drawing tangents. That length are equal. So reason also you write tangents from A. Tangents from A. Okay. Next, carefully listen. OC also radius. OP also radius. Okay, so in this triangle OP, in this triangle OC. OP is equal to OC. Next point, right? OP is equal to OC. OP length, OC length both are equal. Why? Radii. This both are radius. Okay, you can write radii of circle. Okay, radii of circle, you write radii of circle. Okay, next OA is the common. These two triangle taking means OA is the common. So OA equal to OA. What is the reason you write? It is a common side. Okay, common side you write it. Okay, now comparing these two triangles. Which triangle? Triangle AOP congruent triangle AOC. These both are congruent triangles. Why congruent triangles? We are using side congruence rule. Here one side, here one side, here one side. Which rule to this both are congruent? Side congruent rule to this both are congruent triangles. See better. These two triangle taking me this side equal. Next, here this radius equal. This is the common side of both triangles. So side congruent rule to this both are congruent triangle. So congruent is there means angle 1. This one I am taking angle 1. Okay, this one I am taking angle 2. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. This triangle, this angle I am taking angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? These both are congruent triangle means for CPCT these two angles are equal. From CPCT you can write it. Okay, this one I am taking this 2, this side, this angle 3, this angle 4 I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Okay, now you are comparing these two triangles. For congruence rule, side to angle 1 equal to angle 2. Next, you are comparing these two triangles. Similarly, you can write it. One more time, don't need to do. Okay, now we are writing similarly. So same procedure. Similarly, which triangle here is there? COB triangle. Okay, triangle COB and triangle, which triangle? BOQ. This both triangle comparing means this triangle angle angle 3 equal. This triangle angle 4 equal. Why? By CPCT. Similarly, same procedure by CPCT both are equal. So you can write it by CPCT or similarly you're writing. So these two triangles are similar triangles. Why? Which rule? Similar triangles. These two also similar triangles. Which rule? Side, side, side. Here also side, side, side. Next, here also you will get to same side, side, side. So similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So now what happens? Carefully listen. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Means here which line is there? Straight line is there. Straight line is there means angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. How much degree? 180 degree. One straight line is there means how much degree? 180 degree. Now you write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. Carefully see here diagram. See here it is a straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 angles sum how much degree? 180 degree. So now this angle already we proved angle 1 equal to angle 2. So this one place I am taking angle 2. See here 1 is equal to 2. We already proved. So this one place we are taking 2. Again you take 2. Why? Means this AOB we will prove 90 degrees. So 1 place we are taking 2. 2 you take as it is. Next here which one proving is there? 3 proving is there. 3 write as it is. This 4 place you write angle 3. Why? Means angle 4 is equal to 3 is equal to 4. So 4 place you write angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So now see here angle 2 plus angle 2, 2 angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3, 2 angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So here what is the common? 2 common. 2 common means inside what is remaining? Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So now see here angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Here into after is equal to it's become a divide. 2 ones are 2 90s are. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means this much angle. 2 plus 3 means what? AOB. So finally you write angle, see here, angle AOB is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. This is the final answer. You write hence proved. You write it. This is very important question. Practice properly. Okay. Now 10th question. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at center. We will understand and we will only draw the diagram. Carefully listen how to draw the diagram. I will explain. Carefully listen what is there. Prove that angle between two tangents drawn from external point. External point to you are drawing tangents. This angle, okay, external point you are drawing two tangents between angle and is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at a center. This point of contact to center of the circle you are joining, point of contact to this line joining this angle. These two angles sum we will prove supplementary. Supplementary means how much degree? 180 degree. So here I am taking x. This is a y angle. X plus y is equal to, we will prove supplementary. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. We will prove. This is the question. Carefully listen what given. First we will write in the question. What is given in the question? AP and BP are the tangents. You write it AP, BP are the tangents. Next, OA perpendicular to AP. Y means radius tangent meeting place how much degree? 90 degree. This is the theorem 1. Here also see radius tangent meeting place how much degree? 90 degree. So you write it OA perpendicular to AP. Next, OB perpendicular to BP. What is the reason also? Right, radius perpendicular to the tangent. Here perpendicular means how much degree? 90 degree. Here also how much degree? 90 degree. This x plus y we will prove. 180 degree we will prove. So AOBP is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means these 4 angles sum how much degree? 360 degree. That concept we will use. Okay. Now I am taking angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle P. These 4 angles sum how much degree? 360 degree. Now we will apply. A angle is the 90 degree plus O means x plus B means 90. Next P means y is equal to 360 degree. Okay. This is next. This is 90 plus 90 how much? 180 degree plus x plus y is equal to 360 degree. Okay, next x plus y is equal to 360. 180 send that side, minus 180. Okay, x plus y is equal to 360 minus 180, it is a 180 degree. Now you can write angle x plus angle y is equal to supplementary, you can write it. Hence angle x plus angle y are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means 180 degree. Supplementary angles, you can write it angles. This is the proof. Okay, is asking angle x plus angle y is equal to, we want 180 degree. This is simple question. Now 11th question, prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Okay, now see, a circumscribing means this circle, this parallelogram meeting, it is what? It is a parallelogram. Okay, this parallelogram circumscribing means every point it is meeting in to the parallelogram. Okay, every place here like this touching is called a circumscribing. Okay, see here what is there? Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. First, it is a parallelogram. What is the qualities of parallelogram? Means opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. AB equal to CD. Next, AD equal to BC. But we will prove what? This all sides equal proof. Rhombus means all side equal proof. All sides are equal. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. Keep in your mind. Actually, it is a is telling in the question. Is telling in the question. Prove that it is a parallelogram. Okay, prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Okay, ABCD is a, we will take parallelogram. We will prove it is a rhombus. Parallelogram means opposite sides equal. Rhombus means all sides are equal. Opposite sides equal we take and we will prove all sides are equal. Okay, parallelogram to rhombus we will prove. Okay, this is a diagram. Carefully listen. We will see the diagram and we will do the sum. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. You write it. What is given in the question? ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Parallelogram means what? What is the quality of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. So first you take AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Next AD equal to BC. Next point you write AD equal to BC. Reason also you write opposite sides of the parallelogram. Now you can observe means here external point to you are drawing tangents. So this length equal. Again external point to you are drawing tangent. This length equal. Again external point to drawing a tangent. This length equal. This is also external to drawing a tangent means this lengths are equal. First we will write that point. Okay, now I am writing AP equal to AS. Okay, AP equal to AS. Okay, AP equal to AS. Next, AP equal to AS over. Next, what we will take? This side. First, we will complete this side. This side, BP equal to BQ. Next point, BP equal to BQ. Okay. Next, you come this side. This side. First, we will take this side. Next, we will take this side. DR equal to DS. See, DR equal to DS. Next, CR equal to CQ. CR equal to CQ. Next we will write CR equal to CQ. This one you take first equation, this one second equation, this one third, this one fourth. How to take first I will say here. AP equal to S. Next you come this side, BP equal to BQ. Next RD equal to DS. Next RC equal to CQ. So this side you take left side, this side you take right side. Okay. Now what is the reason? Tangents from external point. Reason also you can write it. Tangents from external point. From external point. Okay. Theorem 2. Tangents from external point. This is the reason 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you are doing? Adding 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. Now I am adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. These all I am adding. Carefully listen. Left side, left we will take a right side, right we will take. Here I will add, see. Left side, I will take this side, right side, right I will. AP, BP. Try to understand. AP plus BP. Next, what is there? CR, DR, CR plus DR plus CR. It is equal to, you take right side, AS BQ, AS plus BQ plus, next what is there? DS plus, next what is there? CQ. Carefully you add it, okay? AP, BP, see here understand. AP, BP. AP, BP is equal to what? AB. See here AP, BP. So these two added means what you will get? AB will get. Write it AB. Plus DR, CR. DR, CR. What you will get? CD. CD. Carefully add it. Is equal to. See at this side, see AS, DS you want. So AS, DS we will write one side. AS, DS means you will get AD. So I will do one separate AS. Next I will write plus DS. Plus next we are taking BQ plus CQ. Okay. Now see here this one write as it is. AB plus CD is equal to, see here beta, AS, DS. See here, where is there? AS, DS. This both added means what you will get? Here you will get AD plus BQ, CQ. BQ, CQ. Added means what you will get? You will get CB. CB. See this side CB. Okay, now AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC you got. Okay, now what I am doing, carefully listen, all side equal we will prove. AB plus CD is there, no? AB plus I am writing AB. Why means carefully listen, AB equal to CD is there. AB equal to, starting only, AB equal to CD is there. This concept you keep in your mind. AB plus CD plus I am writing AB. CD plus I am writing AB is equal to, carefully listen, here what is there? AD, write AD. BC plus, this BC plus I am writing AD. Okay, BC, AD equal to BC is there. This BC plus I am writing here, this place I am writing AD. Okay, now see here, AB plus AB, 2AB is equal to AD plus AD, 2AD. Okay, cancel this one, 2 to cancel. Okay, AB equal to AD. AB equal to AD. Now you try to understand final answer. AB equal to ADK. AB equal to ADK. Okay, AB equal to BC. AB equal to AD. AD equal to BC. Okay, try to understand. These both are equal. So now we proved what? AB equal to AD. AB equal to AD. AD equal to BC. So now what is there? Finally AB equal to BC equal to, AB equal to, BC equal to, CD equal to AD. All sides are equal. Carefully listen. This one equal to this one. Now proved what? AB equal to AD proved. This equal means this also equal. So this, all sides are equal. All sides are equal means finally we can write ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, is a rhombus. Write it. Okay, RHOM. It is a rhombus. Okay, rhombus means what? All sides are equal. Now we took opposite side equal. We took and we proved what? All sides are equal. So parallelogram we are taking. Finally, we are proving rhombus. This is the answer. Little bit this last concept you understand. Remaining all easy only. Next 12th question we will do next video. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel then.